Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, as we do some warm-up problems every day, I would like to make some videos going over those warm-up problems so your parents can watch and you can also learn as we go over the problems you've already done. Now, if we look at this first problem, I will read it aloud in case it is difficult to read. In the number shown, one digit is underlined and one number is circled. Then we have the number 88,000. 88,000. Our question that we're to answer says, which statement is true about the circled digit? Which statement is true about the circled digit? And then we have our four answer choices. Now we're comparing the circled digit to the underlined digit. So before I even look at the answers, I'm going to ask myself, which is greater? Which is bigger? The circled digit or the underlined digit? The circled digit or the underlined digit? Well, the circled digit, its value is 8,000. The underlined digit, its value is 80,000. So this is value of 8,000. This is a value of 80,000. So the underlined digit is greater. And since we know the underlined digit is greater, we know the circled digit is smaller. Now, if we think about it, also, if you have 8,000 and your sister has $80,000, you have $8,000, your sister has $80,000, she has 10 times as much money as you have. If she collected $8,000 from 10 different people, she would have $80,000. So this one is 10 times bigger than this one. 10 times bigger than this one. Okay? As we look at our numbers, as we move to the left, they get 10 times smaller. So if we have 80,000, 8,000 is 10 times smaller, or 1/10 of 8,000 is 1/10 of 80,000. So as we go, each place value is 1/10 of, which is the same as dividing by 10, or it gets 10 times bigger. So let's look at our answer choices. The circled digit is 10 times greater than the value of the underlined digit. We already said up here the circled digit is smaller. So I know right away, without doing anything, I know that the circled digit is smaller than the underlined digit, so this can't be this answer. Its value is 1/10 the value of the underlined digit, which is saying if I divide this 80,000 by 10, I would get 8,000. So that answer could still be true based on what I've written down up here. Its value is 80 times the value of the underlined digit. Well, if I take and multiply 8,000 times 80, I'm not going to get 80,000. So that can't be it. And its value is 1/80th. That means if I divide the 8,000 by 80, that would be finding 1/80th of it, 1/80th of it, then I would get 80,000. Well, that doesn't make any sense either. Because if I divided 8,000 divided by 80, I'm going to get 800. No, I'm going to get 100. So that doesn't work either. The only one that makes sense whatsoever is if I divided, or I found 1/10 of the underlined digit, which means dividing it by 10, I would get the circled digit. So the correct answer for that problem would be the letter B. Thank you. Boom shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Save the bees.